I just learned that the Sahara Desert fertilizes the Amazon rainforest. These satellite images show dust getting picked up off the Sahara, carried across the Atlantic, and then arriving here at the Amazon rainforest. And those dust particles do help to form clouds that form rain. But too much heavy rain washes away really important nutrients from the soil, particularly this one, phosphorus, which plants need to grow. So the Amazon rainforest is kind of weird. It's losing a lot of nutrients because of that rain, but it's staying super lush because this dust coming from the Sahara replenishes that phosphorus. It's full of it. These winds are bringing 27 million tons or 100,000 semi-trucks of dust full of phosphorus to the Amazon every single year. So if you want more optimistic science and tech stories, subscribe.